Asake just sold at Madison Square Garden for his Lungu Boy World Tour. This is super amazing. Asake just sold at a 20,000 capacity Madison Square Garden in New York as he continues his Lungu Boy tour. Asake became the fourth Afrobeat artist, apart from Burna Boy, Wizkid, and Davido, to sell out the iconic Madison Square Garden. This is a super amazing one. Asake just keep doing big things. Asake is in the world of his own right now. I think that big four conversation should be Davido, Burna Boy, Wizkid, and definitely Asake. I think the way Asake is moving now, he's definitely ahead of Rema when it comes to it, because Asake is going places, selling out iconic arenas. This is super massive. I'm super proud of the boy. Asake sold out the Madison Square Garden for his Lungu Boy tour, and it was nothing but an amazing show. Fans came out in massive numbers just to enjoy Asake's massive performance. It was a top-notch show. Asake just keep making history. Okay, guys, I'll be sharing with you a full highlight of how the performance went down. Drop a comment below. Let me think about it. Like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
When I drop the flame, when I drop the track, when I drop the song, I'm going to dance. I do what I could get in my class. Then I find the sound, I won't get the sound. I don't get the name, I listen to sound. I'm on the sound. I want to precise, I want to precise. I be lying, and military, match up my head. Like Suya, I'm gonna go be done like Suya. Guy, I'm so please you, they dance like me.